Samla Bari Pyngrope Puli MAC Sam Hagen Bottom University of Agriculture, Technology and Sciences Ha Allahabad ne ka alpnyo tarik kalalingkot kalakren sikila kutai kubor bakal apelmela padba bakan sepelong ka signature campaign ka balong ha alp kandai tarik menta ubenai ha parking lot mod plan ha kapor ka wibeje ye Dawa tinge na ka Sorkar Jylla ya ka ban Phiah no ya ka Thungkam Thungjam joki jaj benreo khasi jantia badgaro kata ka reservation policy klawer ki pajba ki samla puli banang bastat ki seng bhalang baper bakin yami hakate ka si pelong signature campaign
te nga represent pat ya ka jing dawa ten ya ka reservation policy amdan kam shot harai benle shata namarba Phiah baro atep ya ka reservation policy but phila ya pen saprang ya kata ka message. Yeah. Hello everyone, I would also like to welcome my Garo community. As I've stated before, this is not against any community. Instead, I urge the Garo community to join us, to support us for this cause, for the reservation change policy. It's time for the reservation policy to change. For 50 years, it has been remained the same. So thank you for stepping forward, and I ask you to please support us for our cause. We would do the same for you. The Shobens dang ako ben yatho bang ay kanika press conference. Ben yatho no ya Phiah baka ching ya Phiah ki youth kala mentoy. The haka sni sa jan 29th menta ubne then ya le no ya ka signature campaign. Ngasdang ya kanika reservation policy PA de na iba Adelbert baret. Ya penmi ya to ka reservation policy but centrally ki issues na kataw ken nga sayo man siem ben na ka to ka video ha YouTube ba Phiah ya tip mo te ngamla klam da sngo ngo ya ba Adelbert ba ai mi kan ne kala balai patte ya Phiah khana samla baro khod henga da sngo ngo shisha jing shisha te that was just a video banga pen raise awareness rate ka ching support Phiah ka ching ka shan chong Phiah reservation policy of the state Meghalaya is 40% Garo, 40% Jaintia and Khasi in the same. So that was done by the previous leaders, which I respect the decision. But now we cannot give 40% Garo and 40% Khasi and Jaintia because the population, see, we have to have an automatic response. But see, the population of the Khasi is increasing, Jaintia is increasing, so they need a distinct. Garo should have their own percentage, Khasi their own, and Jaintia their own. That is what we're fighting for. Because if Garo has 40 and Jaintia and Khasi in the same, they'll have 40. That is not at all equal because there's a time where if the Khasi is equally, is equally potential, but you see, we cannot get through. So that is not a loss for the Khasi community. That is a loss for the state. We will not be productive. We will not develop. We will not progress. So that is the response that we have to give, and that is a battle that we are facing and we're giving the government. Dawa, ting ya shisha, ben yo no ya ka equal percentage kan. Tengam yo batay syo ya kata ngate Phiah hila tiblod hila ya khilod ben nga itanat shisha ben pe ngada sngo sarong shisha ya Phiah ki khana samla. Te ya ben ya rally kumba ai idea lang ka ne to nginam ya da ka rally ba shupen chong shit shipor ka kun no ang to. Kashu bom la thi shu ya lampur dan kamle shu ra kum to la yo pada ka idea bangin le signature campaign kan ne gadi ken Phiah ki youth ki unemployed youth ki kumi ki pabar khoi ba support yang ada ki phawa cha ya mi no la sing sachan ya wan tang ban I signature dan kam kum ka campaign kum kini ki rally ba Phiah yeng to da ki kenta ma phim dan kam re wan I signature ban pen ka ching tel lei chong Phiah kan ya kan ya cause ba yes la de ban change no ka percentage jing yo rukom sam ka bha mo na ba ben yo equal bet baro khot mar bilya khna chongi shobel li tho ya ka MPSC exam long ya la tip bam yo ra na reservation policy 40% la di shagaro dam de ra ken ban long kum ta pd ben ya don equal opportunity ta don de ban kun tho than khna khasai long kum ta khanrang khasai I don't believe in that khanrang khasai nga philong capable of anything they shouldn't come equal opportunity. So ka venue kan de ha nationalai tele ki venue ben na karpat ben mi khamat no na riboy na jowai ni la don no represent na no stand la don ben na shillong in le no ha mat pran to ha mau khar taxi stand ngan represent manga smok bahaya wan kren nga wan chakman te ka venue kan de ha mau khar taxi stand na sngai sa chan ar khandai tering khatwei bejeken kata kadeka signature campaign bet sok ko wepan ngakerpat iki siang ba pher ki HYC ki KSU mal bangi di student ngali kan themarwe kat no sian ngala duk men siam nomor ngaong kanika fight bangale ta kaman toy le nomor ngakan thi pule marwe ngapule ka agriculture dengan dan idea ra kini te ngalia bet marwe ngapoi kat nei syakmat ro deba yarap uble khamtam phisia ki youth Phiah support pelat ngasapoi kat nei tengok ongken chano ki siang Jongngi khamtam ngi di khasi ya kalawe Jongngi makar pat red bahaya ka KSU HYC semua bahawan la Saturday semua bahawan kersan liam yangi mangin yo ya kanika Thung ben kieu Phiah ben kieu no ya kanai ka ben kieu no ya kalawe Jongngi ade high time lagi kena Jongngi ken sajat dum le ranam ta Jongngi le ki next generation Jongngi so semua bahanga no ya kata you support that. So please, I urge even the Garo community, come forward on Saturday, this 29th at 11 in Maukar taxi stand. Come stand with us, because if you face any issue in the future, we promise that we will stand with you. This is not a fight against community, it's against the government. Why is it silent to us? Tatang kata. Met kamtam kirang pisala ong bato se Bari ach kamat ngin one support you pay. So kanay di ka urge ken what kan run din show. Kanay baru khot baca kum nay pet kat nongi la tur chaprang kanay ndira chingle chonga kanay di ka sur Phiah ki khna Samla Phiah long strong haduk kanay kat nay pa phela poi haduk kanay ka Thung wat kan ran din show ngin ya khun tamban dera ben shia khun da ching shong shet one stay peacefully diang laki mas and kam dera bangin shujo no hak dak it will be a very patient battle bet shabar ki dakhar daki post nyam ro ki kloy ben ya tur tengi kanay ngam dera ben lip no we will get this ni day ben yakun bet ki Sorkar lamay we kun in the right way kan ngam tibra kat no percentage kin phi that's we have to respect and we have respect kata dika bor bet ka authority jong ka legislative thanre ngi tip bangin adan kam equal percentage ya ka trukam reserve ya ka kam ken reservation policy tang kata hai blishi bon ya thank you very much.